back to my channel. So today we're going to do a DIY bookmark video. So let's get on to the video. So here's the Galaxy Print 1 bookmark and I'm applying the water on the paper. Now I'm going to apply some paint on it. It's a purple paint on the water. Now I'm applying the blue paint on the paper. It's really easy to apply paint when we apply water first on the paper for a galaxy look. Now I'm applying some black paint on it for the realistic look. Here I'm applying some red and pinkish shade and giving some dimensions and depth. Now I'm reapplying some paint to make it look more vibrant. Here I'm applying some yellow paint for a colorful look. Now I'm giving it more dimension. Now it's looking a little weird, but when it gets dry, it will look really nice. Now I'm applying some white paint dots on it, like big star look. Now I've splattered some white paint after drying it. I'm writing a quote on it. It's a quotation, motivational quotation. It says, "Stars cannot shine without darkness." Now I'm writing it with a paintbrush. Writing with a paintbrush gives it a really chic and nice look. It looks more handy. After you're done doing the paint on it, you can apply some glue to make it look more shinier, and it will protect it. Now I've done doing that. It's like I've made three more bookmarks. Now I'm going to show you how to place them in a book. You can place them on any corner of your book you like. I'm placing it in a book. It's a graphic design bookmark. I have those two bookmarks too. It's a soulful and a night sky, and it's be the best version of you. It's a really nice bookmarks, and I made these tassels too to make it look more cuter. And hope you liked the video, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button and like my video. And that's it for watching. Bye guys.